Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about one of my favorite toolkit organizer pouches. Compact everyday carry pouches are definitely very popular in the EDC community, and this one from Victorinox is one of my favorites. The model number is 4.0832.L. This cool pouch is secured with hook and loop. What I really like about this pouch is that the pouch is organized in different compartments. In the main compartment we have a slot for the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. The fit and finish of the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit is excellent. In my opinion, it's the best multi-tool when it comes to plier-based multi-tools for EDC. The pliers are an excellent design for EDC. I love the combination pliers with the excellent wire cutters. You find the Victorinox Swiss Tool series with different tools and tool sets. This is the version with the blade, the awl, the combination tool with a flathead screwdriver tip, a chisel design, and the excellent Victorinox saw. In the other handle you find the scissors, the can opener with the little flathead screwdriver tip, the Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and the excellent file. The locking mechanism works great, all tools are locking. In the next compartment you find the space for a Victorinox Bit Kit. The original Bit Kit comes with 4 or 5 bits, and you have the space to add the bits you need for your EDC tasks. I have to mention that I have replaced the bits for bits with a higher quality. You also find the slot for a bit extension. A really cool feature of this set is the corkscrew with an included small flathead screwdriver. You can attach this corkscrew to the Victorinox Swiss tool and you are ready for a great evening. You have so many great options when it comes to this pouch. Maybe you don't need the bit kit, but you can add, for example, a model from the KNIPEX mini series. And you see it here on both sides. You have the possibility to store more equipment inside or outside this pouch. For quick access, I love, for example, to carry a pocket knife with a pocket clip, and the pocket clip fits perfectly in. And the slot on the other side is perfect to carry a flashlight. So depending on your needs, this cool little pouch from Victorinox is an excellent base for your everyday carry toolkit. Please let me know in the comment section below what's included in your everyday carry toolkit.